What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am very excited to announce that I have hit 5,000 subscribers, and I'm going to say the most cliche thing that you could imagine. I never expected to actually get here. I don't think any of us do. We just start a YouTube channel and we're like, ha, wouldn't that be funny if we got to what? And then we just go on thinking whatever happens, happens. And then suddenly you're at 5,000 subscribers or whatever you thought was an unachievable goal, and it's crazy to think that that's the case. I want to thank everybody who has watched, liked, subscribed, commented, everybody who has joined my Patreon. Every single one of you helped move this channel along in ways that I don't know if you'll ever truly completely understand, but just know that I appreciate it. I mean, infinitely. It is the reason that this is able to happen. So thank you so much. Me doing a simple giveaway is never going to be enough for me to properly reciprocate. I cannot properly express exactly how thankful I am. I also want to give a few specific shout outs. There are a ton of channels who have helped really help move things along and help interact with me. You guys know who you are. Those of you who are involved in the Pass Around group, I want to thank the guys in the Pass Around group for just allowing me to be a part of that. That's awesome. That was a big piece of it too. I want to give some specific shout outs to a few channels who have really kind of helped out and engaged with me and gone above and beyond. I want to thank Super Steel Steve for helping me. I ask him a lot of questions, guys. When you get clarification on things, a lot of it is actually coming from Super Steel Steve. Guy's very knowledgeable. I want to thank him for just helping me out and help answer some questions that I had before I did videos. That's really, really awesome. I want to thank Slicey Dicey for finding me when I was under 500 subscribers. That's just amazing. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be here, at this point if you hadn't done that. I want to thank Neves Knives for reaching out and offering to lend me a bunch of their budget knives so that I can, do my series, and just general interactions with them have just been awesome. Really appreciate that. I want to thank Nick Shabazz for allowing me to be part of the Best New Gear Reviewer contest. That was amazing. I was honored to be a part of that. That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much. And thank you for giving me the motivation to start the channel in the first place. I brought that up before. I don't know if he remembers that or not, but I appreciate the little teeny tiny conversation that we had on Blade Forums years ago. I also want to give a major shout out and say thank you to Shaker MT, and Jeff Goodnow. You guys know who these guys are. These guys have selflessly given over and over and over again to this channel without asking for anything in return. These guys are my heroes. They are absolutely the main reason that we got here to 5,000 subscribers. And that's not to say anybody else who has let me look at their stuff has not helped. I mean, you definitely have. Kyle Roberts, I appreciate you. Chris Gonzalez, I appreciate you. And there's a whole bunch more of you who have let me review some of their items or donated to the channel, and I just want to say thank you. I'm really sorry if I'm leaving anybody out, but I just wanted to give credit where it's due. So if you see any of those guys down in the comments section, or you see any other channels, any of the other amazing YouTube channels out there that are based on knife and gear reviews, if you see them down there, give them a thumbs up, because the fact that they even bother to interact with me is helping. So thank you so much to everybody. Okay, enough. I know you guys are like, come on, move on, let's see what we can win, right? 4 minutes in, I'm so sorry. It's not that I feel like I have to do that or that I'm obligated. I want to say thank you. So thank you to you guys who sat around and waited to the 4-minute mark. I'll probably leave a little bit. I probably will have left some text in there saying skip to the 4-minute mark so you can see the prizes. So here we are. Let's start off with the first prize. There's going to be 5 prizes, everybody. The same rules apply. You must be at least 18 years of age to enter and win. Not all of these things are knives, but to make it uniform, you have to be at least 18 years of age to enter. You also need to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. You do not have to live in the United States. You have to be able to provide an address there. So if you have a friend, a family member, or somebody from the knife community that you really, really trust and you've worked it out with them, I will gladly ship to that person if you win, and then they can ship it to you. That's so that the insurance that I apply to the package will actually mean something. If it leaves the country, any additional money that I pay for insurance will not guarantee that it gets there, and that's my worst nightmare. I really want to make sure that these prizes make it to the winners, and if they don't, I want to be able to cover the costs so that I can try again. We're going to do the actual drawing Next Saturday, so exactly 1 week from right now, there's probably a date right here that clarifies. There's also information down in the description. All this information will be in the description as usual. So all you need to do to win any of these prizes, I want you guys to leave a comment letting me know what your favorite type of content for this channel is. Of all the stuff that I do, the knife reviews, the knife overviews, the unboxings, the discussion topics, the top 5s, the top 10s, the Knife Guy series, or the quest for the perfect budget knife, or the quest for the perfect folding knife, anything that I've done, you know, expensive knives, inexpensive knives, let me know specifically. I'd really like to get a gauge on what you guys like to watch. And if you don't like any of my content after watching a little bit and you're nice enough to leave feedback anyway, tell me what you want to see. I'm going to do my best to cater to you guys. I like knives, so I'm flexible, definitely. Okay, here we are. For 5th place, there's going to be 5 prizes, each one going up to better and better and better prizes. All stuff that I think you guys will be interested in. For 5th place, I have this awesome Damned Designs titanium lanyard bead with this cool symbol on there, and it says poison on the back. This is something that was sent along with some other things from Damned Designs, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much. By the way, here's his website, damneddesigns.com. He recently did the Wendigo and the Wraith prototype. That both of those knives have been on my channel. I think you can go and get those knives on his website. Anyways, this is a titanium lanyard bead. Looks really cool. There's lots of room for a paracord ball or something in there. I think this would be an awesome addition to somebody's knife. I'm not going to use it because I'm not a paracord guy, so I thought somebody else could make better use of that. It will come with its own case. Next up, another item from Damned Designs. That's going to be this amazing super thick titanium single knuck. Use your imagination there. I think you guys can figure out what this is. It's got a nice little lanyard hole there. It's nice tumbled finish on the titanium. Looks super thick and super heavy. It's not. It's actually very light. I wear a 10.5 ring size. That means that this is probably up to 11.5 or 12. So if you have some monster fingers, this should still fit. If you've got some smaller fingers, again, it should still fit. It will also come with a carry case just like this. For anybody wondering, this is called the gram. There's the larger 2-finger one that's called the pound, and then I think he's got one called the tag that's actually a bottle opener. But in any case, I thought this was a cool item. Somebody might really like that. Moving on to the first knife that I'm going to be giving away. This is going to be for the 3rd place winner. This is the CRKT Tie Tac 2. If you guys remember me doing the review on this, I said that it was the most fidget-friendly knife that's in the budget category that I have ever seen. It legitimately has an amazing thumb deployment, an amazing reverse flick deployment, and the button lock deployment, whether you want to kind of whip it out like this, and then there's also a flipper tab. Runs on bearings, nice satin finish, nice drop point blade. This is an awesome knife. I think they run about $35. Comes with its box. I figured somebody would be really, really excited to win that. Moving on to 2nd place. 2nd place is another knife, one that was donated to the channel by Mr. Shaker MT or Harry Gage. By the way, this knife was donated too, but Mr. Shaker MT donated this along with some other things. This is a really awesome budget knife. It's a steel frame lock. By the way, it's called the Real Steel Control. Steel frame lock running on bearings. It's got D2 steel, awesome ergonomics, awesome blade shape. Not quite a tanto, but it's got that kind of tanto-y look there. Very durable. This is definitely a knife that you can take out and actually use. One solid side of G10, one solid side of steel. A little bit heavy, definitely an outdoor knife, but one that somebody could definitely put to good use. Doesn't come with a box, but it is in brand new condition. It has not been used. There's no scratches, there's no nicks or rolls in the edge or anything like that. The blade is centered. The blade locks up strong. No blade play, anything like that. This is an awesome knife. I thought somebody would be really, really happy to win that. I believe these go on... I can't remember. I think those go for about $50 online, something like that. All right, so we are about to move on to the number 1 prize. I want to specifically thank Chris Gonzalez for donating this knife to the channel. It was an amazing donation, one of the nicest donations that I've ever received on this channel. I figured I should take my own advice. I always say if you have an opportunity, pass on the positivity to somebody else, whether it's somebody from the knife community or not. If somebody does something nice for you, pass it forward. It's always nice to reciprocate whichever end of it you're on, but passing it forward spreads it. That's a good idea. So I'm going to try and do that. I'm going to try and take my own advice, but rest assured, and let it be known, this knife was given to this channel by Chris Gonzalez, and he knows that I'm going to be giving this away. So if you see him down in the comment section, give him a thank you and a thumbs up. The first place winner is going to be winning the amazing Spyderco Native Chief in all its glory. This is a U.S.-made Spyderco knife. You can see there, Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. I have not used it at all. I'll admit I carried it a little bit just before I did the review, but the only thing that's on the blade is a couple of fingerprints. There's no scratches. The blade is completely and totally unused. It is still absolutely dead centered. Comes with its original packaging, its original box. Awesome, awesome knife. I think these go for about $135. CPM S30V, amazing ergonomics, and it's over 9 inches. So this is a pretty sweet knife. I figured someone would be really, really happy to win that. I'm really excited to give that away. I hope you guys are excited to win it. Yeah, those are all the prizes. This has been amazing. The climb to 5,000 came really, really quick and very in a very unexpected fashion, but I'm excited to give all this stuff away. Thank you so much again to everybody who has supported my channel. I'm really excited to draw the winners for these, and I'm really excited to see where the channel goes moving forward. That's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, or you're excited, or you found it entertaining, or any positive reason whatsoever, or just because, go ahead and leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe to my channel, because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.